Dobry rana. I believe that's how you say good morning in Ukrainian. I'm thinking that I do this Rubik's Cube instead. Might as well. Why not? To make sure that I get it right. The video might take me longer just because I decided to do this, but forget it. Today's OC is called Mazuri from Sonic Unleashed, and I believe he's in some part of Africa. I just don't know what part he's in right now. Is Mazuri even a place? Like, is Mazuri a real place? If so, then understandable. But if not, I guess you guys can see why I'm so confused. Gotta make sure the centers are aligned because that's mainly where I find most of my issues. Where in a Rubik's Cube like this, where the centers might not be aligned. I guess when I'm halfway done, I must speak Spanish, but I'm a translator, so no, you're not really missing anything. I don't even know I don't even know what the feeling I'm feeling is right now. I'm like halfway done with my water. Let me drink that. Sometimes I've already said this, but sometimes I listen to Drake, the song I'm upset, when I am actually upset. You know what? I'm just happy, man. Today we're gonna have a super awesome, amazing day. Wow, this was a interesting choice for me to decide to do this. Nice. Have you ever thought that thinking was cool? What? I don't even know what I'm saying. I'm just saying things because the camera's rolling and I think I need to speak. Will I speak Spanish today? You know what? I'm not even gonna speak Spanish today. I'm just not going to. What the what? I forget what show I used to watch, but there was a show where uh, one of the characters' name was Mr. Brown, and he like wore suspenders, and he was like kind of egg shaped. Trying to figure out, does this go like this or the other way? You know, I'm just gonna leave it like that. And yeah, he was a very funny guy. I saw him and thought, you know, my inspiration is to be like that when I'm older. Very, very funny. And he was a family man. He was a family man too, so that added to his his like, I guess I think it might have added to his personality. Am I doing this correctly? I'm about to flip over table. That's just how I have to be sometimes. To flip over tables. There's a friend of mine. We'll call him Stilo, and I've known him since high school. And we would write well, not like poetry as like Shakespeare poetry, but we would write raps to each other. We don't do that anymore. Or I think he just gave up, to be honest. And yeah. I mean, I would give up too if I was up against a genius. Or maybe I wouldn't have given up. Maybe I wouldn't have given up because the fact that it's pretty difficult for me to just give up when not giving up is what makes me a genius, I think. Déjame ver. Dije que yo no iba a hablar español, pero mira, me estoy hablando español. I said I wasn't going to speak Spanish, but here I am speaking Spanish. Déjame ver. Looking at the time, man, looks like this video is about to be super long. Sorry, guys. Fi- but what do you expect when you are fixing the planet? You thought I was gonna solve this easily? Well, maybe if I do it often, it'll become easy, but I gotta be realistic right now. That's interesting. That's very, very interesting. Well, looks like this might. Maybe I should have done it the other way. How long is this video gonna take? How long is this video gonna take? I don't know, man. I don't know. I don't know. But I will say that today's gonna be an awesome day. I'm upset, but I'm happy. I'm upset, but I'm happy. I'm literally fixing the world right now, so gotta have some grace with myself. Mazuri Day. I should have been specific. This is the song during the day. We listen to it at night, so. This game was like. What was this game like? I don't even know. I just like the game, man. Should I stop saying man? I don't know. Did I tell you guys that I don't like my cousins? I just don't like them. With the French toast. Like, for example, these two pieces don't have anything on them. So, how am I supposed to, like, align them correctly if I don't even know if it's in the correct spot correctly? Making me mad. Alright, let's see. What is this? This is, I think this belongs here. Oh my goodness. You know what? I think this is supposed to go. Let me use this as reference. I'm gonna use this as reference because this is still correct. So done. Wow. Let me see. I don't know, man. I'm gonna be here for a while. Is this correct? I think this is correct. Yeah, I think it's correct. Woo! I'm gonna be here for a while, guys. Next, oh, I just didn't want to start my day off the same, so that's why I did it. That's why I did this. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. You know what? I think this is supposed to go here. I think that's where it's supposed to go. I could be wrong though, so I guess I could like record this video until you know the battery dies out. If that's the case, then if that's what I'm gonna do, then we're about to have a super fun time. Gonna have a grand old time. Nice. That looks correct. Now, I still don't know if this is correct because there's literally there's no way to tell if it's correct or not. But let's just continue on. Let's just continue on until let me see. Correct. Is this correct? Yeah, that's correct. Is it correct? No, it's not correct. So not correct. So I guess if there is something. Wait, is this correct? Let me double check if it's correct or not. No, it's not correct. So then if that's not correct, then that means that this is on incorrectly. And we have to change it. Wow. 19 minutes. Alright. Let's double check. That is correct. And that is correct as well. Alright, looks like we got it right. Let's make our dreams come true. Wait a second. No. Yes. Alright, let's keep going. Good. Alright, let's keep going. Nice. Awesome. Alright, so no, that's not what we're gonna do. That's actually good. Alright, let's do the algorithm. I don't know if this algorithm is called the R perm or the J perm. I don't know. Someone who is more of a Rubik's Cube head probably knows. Don't tell me I messed it up. Yeah, I messed it up. I messed it up because I was trying to sound smart. I should have just been like, I don't know what this. I mean, I just messed it up and that's it. Oh my goodness, man. Oh my goodness. Why? I gotta do this all over again? Wow. Yeah, today is gonna be a super awesome, amazing, fantastic day. So that's good. Is that even good? Yeah, it's good. I'm just not gonna mess it up the next time. This video is about to be 30 minutes long. This video is gonna be an hour long. And I don't think I'm doing this again. Am I doing this tomorrow? Maybe I'll practice doing this. I'll practice doing this cube, like when the camera's off or something, but yeah, I'm not doing this. I'm not doing this like it's a casual 4x4 or something like that. Nice. Is that correct? No. Let's change. No, it's not even correct. Let's change it. OMG. Can't get the Bev. Never. No. Let me see how long this video is. Or not how long, but let me see how much battery I have. Alright, I'm at 80%. So let's keep going. Let's keep going. Let's keep going. Alright, sure. Why not? Finally. I gotta get this on correctly. This is the last thing that I need to do. Dang, I wish I had more water. I can feel it in my throat that I'm getting dehydrated. So let's see. Ah, bro, this cube, man. Very interesting cube. Alright, so no. Alright, looks like everything is good. Alright, I'm gonna do the algorithm that I need to do. I'm not gonna say what it is because I'm not trying to mess it up. I just know I need to do this algorithm and success. So that's good. What the? That's good. That's not good. That's good. That's good. Looks like I gotta do the algorithm again. Well, let's go. Let's go. You know, what I might do is I might eat breakfast immediately right after this. Yeah, that's what I might do. So that's good. So yeah, let's continue with this. I'm almost done. I'm not gonna do the Rubik's clock after this, cause screw that. Oh, nice. That's correct. That's correct. That's correct. No, it's not. No, it's not correct. OMG. Or, wait a minute. Maybe that is correct. Maybe that is correct. But, one thing. Wow. Looks like these two parts right here where there are no looks like I messed these two up. And looks like I gotta either realign them or yeah, I gotta realign them. Because I'm toward the end and everything is correct except one piece, so looks like I messed up down the way. So let's see. What should I do? You know what? I'm thinking the next time I do this, I just like, I don't even know. This is why I don't do this Rubik's Cube, because it gives me trouble as to how I'm supposed to solve it. Oh, let me see. No. Let's try this. Wow, I'm upset. Yeah, I'm upset right now. I'm super upset. I'm upset, and I don't even know what I'm supposed to do at this point. Well, I do know what I'm supposed to do, but I'm just upset. Alright, let's do this again. Hopefully things will be better this time around. If not, then I just have to keep going. And there's nothing wrong with me keeping, to keep going. It's just that I want to get on with the day already. I want to hurry up. Let's see, so that's good. Alright, so all of this looks good. Let's see though. So that's good. Well, not aligned correctly, but that's good. Alright, these are all aligned correctly. You just have to do the algorithm where I switch. Which one am I supposed to? So that's good. Alright, so then that's what I'm supposed to do. Let's do it. Alright. That's good. I think what I was actually gonna do was listen to Pogo and go on and start my day off like that. But instead I decided to continue listening to the OST of Sonic Unleashed, and I decided to do a picture cube. Nothing wrong with that, it's just that I was thinking of going I was thinking of not planning something, but looks like I did something completely different, which is not bad. It's just that I don't know. Made me make a 30 it made me make like it made me make a pretty long video. Hoy vamos a tener un día maravilloso, fantástico y muy bueno. Today we're gonna have a fantastic day, a very good day. Parece que lo hice. It looks like I did it. Yeah, it looks like I did it. Woo! I fixed the entire planet. And it took me 35 minutes. It's not bad, but alright guys. See you in the next. Adiós, te veo en el próximo video. Alright guys, I'll see you in the next video. Do побачення. That's goodbye in Ukrainian.